Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to continue where we stopped last time when we were configuring the mail server in Packet Tracer, and these were the configuration that we did for the mail server. Now today we are going to look at the DNS server configuration in Packet Tracer, and we are going to do the following. We are going to configure our DNS server. We're going to give the IP address of our DNS server, and then we're going to rename our DNS server as cybertm.com. And then we're going to edit the HTML code in the Packet Tracer, and this is a short code which we're going to edit. So without much of wasting of your time, let's get to it. If you have watched this video before, you can remember where we ended. We did all the configuration of all these. Now we said our server is going to have this IP address. So this is 192.168.1.4. so if we look at our topology here, our network topology, we are going to see that it's supposed to be connected somewhere here, coming there, because this one is another subnet. So we're going to get our server, put our server there, and then get our cable, connect our cable. You can connect it either ways, from this side or that side. So we're going to give it time for it to add up. So I'm just going to rename this. This is going to be our mail server. It was our mail server. Mail server. And then this is going to be our DNS server. So now here they are communicating, but we have to assign an IP address for this. So this one is going to be 1.4. So after doing that, then we're supposed to configure it, because when we don't configure our DNS, that means there's nothing which we can happen with it. So we come here, put dynamic static. If we put DHCP, after some minutes it's going to pop up. It's going to be assigned an IP address here. So this is another private IP address, but we're going to do a static one. Our gateway here is .1, and our DNS is 4. So here we have configured. So for module, from here we can do a ping test just to make sure that our DNS server is up and running. We can do a IP config, and then here we are able to see our IP address and our gateway there. So now we're going to do a ping test. Ping 192.168.1.2, just to try those Okay, it's giving, there's an error there. Ping 22.168.1.2. We are receiving a reply. That means our DNS, it's okay. When we come here, we do our configuration. So we're talking about the DNS server here, and we said our DNS server, we're going to call it cybertm.com. So here you have to turn on this. So the IP address of our is this one here, and you say turn on, you add. Here we are done. Then close this, come here, check there. So now here the DNS is not configured there, so we have to configure it. That's our DNS. Then we can close that. So what we do is we have to take and we go to the browser, then we can say cybertm.com and enter. There we are having the reply. Okay, so now from this step you can cancel this, stop. Even when we try to put the IP address here, we say it's going to give us the same because it's in the same DNS. Then now we have to go back to the DNS. Now here we come to HTTP, it's supposed to be on and on. Then now we are going to edit the HTML tags which are there. So we said we are going to use this code here. This is what we're going to use in our editing there. So what I'm going to do here, just going to do copy that, and we come to the indexed. So here we're going to change bit by bit from those things which I've seen there. So initially the format text, it's a Cisco packet tracer, that's the front line. So we're going to change this, and then we say capitals cybertm web page. Okay, then we're going to say, instead of welcome to Cisco packet tracer, it's going to say, sorry, I'm going to say welcome to cybertm web page. Yeah, then instead of hello, okay, we're going to save this one so that we see the changes. Okay, come to PC2, open our browser, then we type, instead of typing, you can just go direct. Okay, okay, so I say cybertm.com, enter. There we go. These are the changes which we have done. And here, welcome to cybertm web page, opening doors to new opportunities, blah blah blah. So now If we want to go ahead again